Traders, it's August 16, 2018. The market just closed. Going to provide a report on NNSR. She has deteriorated the last 2 days, well, 3 days from its high. Oh, excuse me, let me remove this line. From its high right over here, about afternoon selling came in, and then yesterday gapped up but traded lower. It showed support. Looked like there was life to it, and trailed down today at the open, and around half a penny mark or so, there was buyers just trying to push her higher. It seemed like they did a good job at one point. Now zoom in. These trend lines are based on today, so let me zoom in over here, give you an idea of these trend lines. So this is the downtrend, right? This is the downtrend right here. Look at this red line. Just pay attention to the red line. It is broken over here the first time. And then it looks like the bears created another one, and I'm going to try to fix this for you guys. Okay? My apologies, but E-Trade trend lines tend to get messed up from time to time. Don't stay still. So this is the second trend line, and as you can see, it broke it again at 6.4 when it closed above 6.4. So the buyers are pushing her higher, and if I wanted to make another trend line of resistance, and these are all downtrends, would be something like this. And I just think this is more of an extreme one. Excuse me. And now these, yeah. So now these trend lines are going to be playing with me. Let me just try to fix these. Let me do this. There we go. Alright. So I think this last trend line, as far as the downtrend, is a little extreme. This might have been too early, the first one, but it was an indication of buyers stepping in. This second one right here, I actually think is more of the proper downtrend that was broken. This is what the sellers are trying to do now, create another downtrend since the first two were broken. But I think since the second one was broken, strong enough, there shows that there's stabilization and buyers at this level. And from the looks of things, in my yesterday's tutorial on NNSR, I said, well, it just might trade sideways a little, after news, because there's a lot of news coming out. And I guess like investors, there's a lot of flippers here, and investors want to know exactly what she's going to do prior to doing it. So we can see her trade even sideways. I would say around here, it could be 5 to 10 trading days, maybe a little more or so. Okay, but that's what we're looking at. But we do see support levels. I just want to see this trend line broken, and probably bounce around from the half a penny mark to like close to the highs around like 9/10 of a penny, and trade around there in that trading range for maybe 10 days or so, maybe a little longer. But the good note is it does show some stabilization finally. And I want to show you the long-term support, because the first two were broken after this high right here. And then I saw this support trend, this uptrend, this short one, no go. And, it broke right below it. So those were weak uptrends. But let me show you a longer-term uptrend. What will support her? And I think this is her bottom right here. Oh, no, that's not it. Sorry, guys. There you go. So this is her bottom right here. And this is a longer term uptrend. You see that? And they just disappeared again. I don't know why he does that with me. But it's doing it today, and it's messing with me. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let me go back into 10 and give you a clearer picture. Okay? So we'll see what happens tomorrow. There does look like support. Shows like it's bottoming at half a penny. Buyers are stepping in every time it hits a half a penny. What I would like for her to do tomorrow, since tomorrow's the last trading day of the week, I would like her to close. Oof. See this upside down hammer right here? I don't like that, but it's an indication of a trading range right now, and like that's what it looks like. And I'll show you what this trading range looks like, something like that. Okay. What I would like her to do is break above this trend, this downtrend right here for the week. So this red bar will be removed. We already have good indications that she may go higher tomorrow because, and the trend lines failed again, once again. All right, because she broke the 6-4 trend line right there. Okay, so it looks like she wants to go higher. We'll see what happens. Oh, there it is. And, you know, if she does, we want to close higher above that downtrend that I showed you on the weekly, which was, I'm going to show you once again. I'm sorry there's too much trend lines, but there's a lot of things going on right now, which is about 0.0067. If she closes tomorrow above 0.0067, it looks very healthy, and into next week. If you want to take a live trading course with me, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.